So one thing that you have to understand is every internal drainage system is designed differently. And what I mean by that is everybody has a different volume of water entering into the home. So therefore, if you have a high level of water entering your home, you may want to opt for a battery backup sump pump or a triple guard, which will allow you to discharge the water at a higher rate. If you do not have a battery backup discharge and your home is not running on a generator and the power goes out, therefore the sump will fail. So therefore it is highly recommended to go for the battery operated sump pump, if not the triple guard sump pump as well, or if you do have a generator, which is recommended as well, would be ideal. One thing that you got to be careful about when installing a sump pump is where you're discharging the pump. You want to pick a location on the property where you have good drainage that's going to fall away from the property and not going to cause any issues with regards to flooding in an area where there's a play area for the kids or a driveway that can ice over. So once you do that walk around the property and find the best location for it, that's where you're going to install the sump pump.